Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going all the way back to the beginning of the year. So ratios and specifically equivalent ratios. Right. So I'm going to do one of each type of problem on this worksheet for you guys. Hopefully it helps. Okay. So problem number one: write two equivalent ratios to 10 to 9. There's our first ratio. Okay. So there are a couple really simple ways that you can write equivalent ratios. Remember that it's all about like you divide one by the other and coming out with the same unit rate between them. And so there are a couple of easy ways. You could like double each number, or I just like to add the same number in the first column again each time. Right? So like 10 plus 10 is 20, and 9 plus 9 is 18. Right? And then you can add 10 and 9 again to get 30 and 27. You can check them all in a calculator. You can divide the bottom by the top, and you're always going to come out to 0.9 for all three of those. So they've got the same unit rate, which means that they are all equivalent. This second one right here, problem number 7, we're going to see whether or not these ratios are equivalent or not. So 4 to 7 and 5 to 12. So we can do that a couple of different ways, but I'm going to divide the bottom by the top to find a unit rate. Remember that equivalent ratios have to have the same unit rate. And so I'm going to say 7 divided by 4. I'm checking that first one, and that is 1.75. And then I'm going to say 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12 is 0.416. So these are not the same number. And actually, there's a bar over that one right there. So these are not the same unit rate, which means that these are not equivalent. All right. So remember, the whole goal of this is to tell whether or not they are equivalent. Make sure that down is your answer. Last one, problem number 13. We are trying to determine what z is to make this an equivalent ratio. Okay. So I'm going to use the butterfly method. So if you guys remember, we're going to take these two numbers and these two numbers and multiply them together to create a little equation. And so when I multiply things together, that's going to come out to 3z. Right? 3 times z is 3z, and then 8 times 9 is 72. Then I'm going to take each side, and I'm just going to solve the equation. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So 3z divided by 3 and 72 divided by 3. These numbers cross out right there. And I'm left with z on this side equals 72 divided by 3 is 24. So z is 24 is what makes the statement true. All right. So hopefully that helps, guys. I will see you all tomorrow.